InstalSystem 5 provides various databases of systems and products which can be used to design installations. Databases include all dimensions and technical parameters for hydraulic and thermal calculations and other data required to create detailed bill of materials. Such comprehensive databases make it possible to analyze each element of the system at every stage of design process. Moreover, while selecting system or product to be used in designed installation, picture and additional description can be displayed. It facilitates finding and choosing for the product proper systems and elements of the installation. If there is a dedicated website, it can be also linked with the system or element. Bill of materials resulting from the calculations can be printed with product images and additional description, making the design documentation much more complete and visually attractive.